Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing a fountain called the Phantom Pixie Dust Fountain. Look at her. She's a pixie dust fairy. It's from Phantom Fireworks. Pretty cool. Where was the item number? We know we have it somewhere around here. Oh, there it is, the H193. And right under that is effects. Lemon chrysanthemums with purple stars to crackling sparks. Red flowers to silver crackle. Gold pine to green flittering flowers. And ends with high crackling with colored stars. Wow. This sounds pretty cool. It's got a little weight to it. Never seen it before. Had to pick it up. So let's check out the Phantom Pixie Dust Fountain. Yeah. Here we go. Wait. Oh, that was cool.